Hi there. Today I'm going to unbox and assemble my wooden workshop from StreetTruckDiecast. You know about this? I saw this guy first of all on Facebook, and he's on YouTube too. He takes 1/64 scale trucks and chops them up and makes them custom, lowers them and stuff. And he had this workshop that he was using, and he made copies of it because everybody wanted that workshop. And I think I wanted one too. And here it is. StreetTruckDiecast. He has his logo there and everything. It's cool. Comes with some glue, tight bond, and you put this together. Looks pretty easy. And then you put all your Matchbox or Hot Wheels or M2s or whatever cars you collect on here, and it's like a garage or workshop for your workshop or your play area for big boys and girls, right? And I'm going to put it together and put all my little pickup trucks on here. Think I need directions? Let me see. We don't need no stinking directions. You just gotta figure it out, right? Pretty self-explanatory. Look at this. See, this goes here. Tabs. There. I'll fit it like this and then I'll glue it. Look, like that. Ooh, the sides. Like this and this. Look at that. I'm figuring it out. Max. His name is Max. He's a cool guy. He got all kind of cool stuff. Cool garage, cool cars, cool job, cool house. Everything cool. This. And this. This and this. Pretty easy. You don't even need instructions. You have to watch me do it. Remember, I'm going to glue it. I'm just dry fitting it right now. Here, here, here. That. Oh, maybe here. And he also puts lights under his. He has LED lights all around here. Cars all around here. Stickers. All your hot rod stickers and stuff. We'll go like this. Look at this. Anyway, it's pretty simple, isn't it? That's how it goes. And you can put lights up here if you want. And down here. Put a little gas station stuff here, you know, your lifts, garage components. How it goes? Let me see. Yeah, I like that. See that? StreetTruckDiecast. Alright, when you glue it together, go collect all my little trucks. Now let me put a paper towel down here so I don't mess up my driveway. You could put down cardboard or something, you don't want to get glue everywhere. More. Or just put down that paper that was in the box. That'll give you a clean surface to work on. Right? Like that. Alright. See how easy I put it together though? It goes there. This goes here. Goes here. Goes here. Yeah, see? And he gives you some tight bond, instant bond adhesive. There's work. Cut the tip off. on these tabs. Yeah, instant bond, tight bond. Won't make a mess. Keep it nice and neat. There. Oh yes. And then put this here in that groove. Glue. Some tight bond, instant adhesive, and some here. Look your side. These are all going to go together. Like this. Look. I'm going to let that dry for a few hours before I load it up, but I'm going to give you an idea. And that'll show you when it's all done, alright? A couple hours after it dries. Yes. Here, here, and here. Yeah, you could make a mess with this glue if you wanted to. But we don't want to. This goes here. Here, here, and here. Like that. See? Solid. Getting there. Then, we're almost done. There, there, and there. This is where we don't want to put this. A little bit in there. Put it in there. I'm so excited. Gotta stand up. Oh yeah. Tap it together. Tappy tap tap tap. Pretty square. And if you were wondering, this is 24 inches, and he has a bigger one that's like 48 inches. But I need that right now. Oh yeah. Hopefully that dries clear. If not, we can put a sticker there. Alright. The wider groove goes here. There's a skinny groove and a wide groove. The wider groove fits this nice. Oh, we need instructions. Imagine that. And I think it's all done. Let it dry. It's going to be solid. We're going to put all our street trucks on there. Okay. You should see how he has it. He has stickers everywhere, different brands of cars and things like that. How's it look from? Oh! Oh, look at that. Oh! That's okay, that'll probably dry. Alright, that's it. Get yourself one if you want. I'll put links there to his Facebook page and his YouTube channel. When this dries in a few hours, I'm going to load it up with my trucks and I'm going to put it in a special place where I like to play with stuff. Either on the floor over there or in my garage on my workbench. Alright, I'll be back when it's dry. Here it is after it dried a few hours, and I put some of my trucks in there. You could put cars in there too. And learn from my mistake, be gentle with the glue, because you could make a mess. But then you put your stickers all over the place, however you like it, you know. Put them little lifts in there. Anything you like in there, put in there. I have a little Hot Wheels gas station there and a car wash. Isn't that neat? Look at the cars. GTO. There's no guy working, see? He ain't working hard, but he's there. Tow truck with a big Pontiac Grand Prix there. Or Bonneville. So if you like this, get yourself one. Tell him Rick sent you. Nice. Alright. So you could use this for a little workshop where you can take your trucks apart and drill them and not mess up your workbench, you know, glue them and put them together. And it's a real workshop. Or just use them to display your cars and trucks like I am. That little groove up there, you can put LED lights in there, make it look real nice. He didn't give this to me, I bought it too. That's how much I like it. I bought it. Okay, you can get one if you want. Please subscribe for more fun. Time to eat now. See you.